We want to add up fractions that are having the same denominators. So if we're having two fractions, the first one says 8 all over 15 and the second is 4 all over 15. How do we add this kind of fraction? If you notice that the two fractions are having the same denominator, all you need to do is just to add up their numerators. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then the denominator is 15, so it becomes 15, remains 15. Then this one is for subtraction. Still the same thing, you're just going to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have in denominator as 10, and it remains at 10. Thank you.